Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I feel evil today. Evil. Are you sick of jeans that are too long? Are you tired of your stomach being squeezed into sausage length? Isn't it costly to your mental health? That not only you overspill your feelings, but you overspill your guts? Are you tired of having to pull your jeans over your stomach when you sit down because you are insecure? Don't know what for. Well, you're in the right place today because we're gonna test out jeans, petite size and short form for midsize girly pop, for being yelled at for being an apple shape because it
doesn't exist
according to men, because they know everything, right? Girl, you should go check out my Instagram reel comments. The behavior is disgusting, but I love it. It's entertaining seeing a group of assholes and dumbasses come together and feel united. Like, am I doing that for them? You're so welcome. I literally ordered $600 worth of jeans for Abercombie and Fitch. That's not gonna vacuum seal me if in my short legs. Hands together, let's bring out our guest. We're gonna see if all these petite jeans pass the sitting test. Because look, when I sit down, this is what I try to hide. Huge shout out to someone who commented. She suggested doing this video idea. I love you so much. You are the reason that we're here. Also, huge thanks to Spink for sending me these undies. They feel and look like spandex, but they're not. They're like undies. Okay, bitches, about time someone do this. Did you know I carry plus size cardigans from 1X to 3X? So you know. This is the first one I got. It's the, there's no name. You know, I film very underprepared in classic Faye fashion. I found it! The high-rise 90s Relax in 33/16S. As you all know, my weight goes like this. It's a toxic relationship. Maybe I overestimated. No, it's gonna fit me perfect because look at this. Do you see what I carry? I carry food quadruplets. According to the size guide, I fall in between like a 32 to 34, so I was like, why not 33? According to my judgment, this should fill up my stomach. Like I said before, if you have a front ass that's bigger than your back ass, you're in the right place. Hello, family. Ooh, look at the lane. You wait your turn. We're gonna fix the stomach and the leg issue all in one today. Oh.
No, why?
Shit, did I lose weight? I mean, hands on my waist.
Shakira, ¿eres tú?
I mean, it does look a little long, but these are supposed to be baggy, so this is like perfect if I put shoes on, you know? Also, like, what are you doing? These are the cutest motherfucking socks to exist the earth. They're made in South Korea. I flew them all the way here, so go get yourself some. I'm just saying, because if you've ever been to Korea, you know that they have the fucking cutest socks on the street. Just for you. My ibuprofen pill shoes. We need the height and the chunkiness to hold our jeans up. Listen, Linda, I don't want you guys to think that I was bullshitting you guys, because I know that happens a lot. I swear I did the whole size guide tutorial on trying to figure out my size. They suggested 33 to 34, okay? And this is what happens when you fucking listen. You still get in trouble. Could have been great. This is what I call appropriate bagginess on a 5-footer like me. The trolls are trolling. There's this diagonal lining that literally points down to the goods. It's literally screaming, give me some hips and shrink my fupa. Oh, my onion. We want to magnify the hips and waist. And we want that belly to be microscopic. That was the point of getting like this diagonal lining on a jean. Let's still do the sit down test. I guess this is not gonna do much, but if you sit down, wow, it feels great. If you know, you know. I don't have to explain this in 3,000 shapes and forms. Clearly feels great on me because there's so much room. Look at it. I got room to eat and scoop. This would have passed, but it is like 2 sizes bigger. Literally last night I went to a concert and I was so conscious of like someone staring at my back fat, pulling my pants all the way up to like suck in my stomach while standing, not even sitting, standing. That's just a product when you've conditioned your mind that whether you're standing or sitting, you're oozing out, back, the side, the front, your armpits. That was the point of this video, to find jeans that we don't have to worry, but we tried. I completely failed, you guys. I followed the guide. Is it because I like am looking in this curve section? And it makes sense to me because in freshman year, I was a size 31 in pants, at least from Forever 21. So I just thought, oh yeah, I'm definitely like a 33 now. I guess I'm not. I'm so sorry. I was just really trying to go out of the box. Give you guys options, you know? Bro, these would have been so fucking cute though. They mimic dress pants. They look casual enough that it can almost pass for business casual. The sides have a nice little pinching, drapes the pants, and the straight wide leg look is so comfy. It may be a little bit too long. So there's X short, regular, tall. So maybe I should go for an X short. We may have jogged 5 steps back, but we're 1 step forward with the leg. Come on, be positive. You know, a normal YouTuber would be like, I'm just gonna scratch the video, reorder, not make people sit through this agony with me, but we're family. Sorry. And at this point, it's really hard to trust me. 3418S. These are high-rise loose. You weren't joking when this is loose. Hey, on the bright side, we're realizing that Abercrombie and Fitch is super consistent in sizes. So at least this helps me nurture my relationship with Abercrombie and Fitch. Okay, I'm getting home. I'm taking off this cardigan. This is the Taylor cardigan, by the way. It's from dancershop.com. You should shop it.
What's up, G-Way? In the
The
cook.
other night, me and Allie had a little bit too much fun. We learned the NSYNC Bye 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 dance.
Be vibey.
Such a cute heavy-weighted cardigan. It literally has knitted florals. I mean, I'm so generous. I decided I went with these gray denims to give us like an option to look at. Our guest celebrity is really not doing anything, so I'm gonna just give her a lap dance for a sec. I am confident that these jeans would work if I just sized right. I love that these gray denim, the loose high-rise jeans has a faded aesthetic to it. Look at me just trying to like convey you that these jeans are great. Guilty as charged. Like seriously, if only the waist was like this, these jeans would look great, phenomenal. Just gotta get rid of this. Gotta I think something's in my eyes. Disappointment. But you can't lie, this is giving very Y2K. How to lose weight overnight. Just wear jeans that are a little bit bigger because then you wake up feeling skinny. I'm so sorry. Regina, I promise I didn't mean it. I was looking forward to these jeans the most. I love mom jeans. Everyone and anyone who wears mom jeans and make it look so freaking girl next door, I am obsessed with you. Happen to always be in this very retro dark denim color. Very 90s. I liked these because they weren't like baggy legs. They were straight legs. Not long at all. Is it everything I ever wanted? Oh my god, like you just don't know. The way mom jeans just hit on the models, I wish so badly I beat them. Is it too wide on my legs? That kind of makes me look like my 3rd grade teacher, Miss Sharkey. Older middle-aged woman. She'd wear these jeans that just did not flatter her. My 3rd grade ass was like, girl, you could do better. The mom jean look is supposed to be effortless. If you're a girl, you want to be friends with her. If you're a guy, you want to get fries with her. It's supposed to like fit your waist so flawlessly, show your little booty, but in the most humble, conservative way ever. In my opinion, when you wear mom jeans, you're just supposed to look like a 10 out of 5. No matter your shape, no matter your size, no matter your hair texture, you wake up feeling beautiful. Not like Miss Sharkey. You still trust and love me. I'm insecure, reassure me. I've lost all your trust. Me being super generous, I got all black matte pants, the 90s straight. Maybe next time I should just get like a bunch of sizes. Ultra high rise, even higher than normal. I don't have hardcore black jeans. I love how the legs look from the side though. Like out of all the lengths, this one, what is it? It's a 18S. I mean, there's not much to say because I can't even feature Miss Girl. At least I can show you guys. Naturally, my stomach looks like this when I sit down. You see like the gushing? This probably comes up too high. This blanket's over my boobies. I've completely screwed up, but my socks are cute. These are the 90s straight jeans. There's not much to expect here. Oh, this one had the rip. The rip is nice. I mean, there's not much I can say to even convince you to like gear any kind of interest toward these jeans right now. I'm so sorry. We're still gonna figure out how we can cover these up with jeans. I'm telling you, I have the worst luck with jeans. Big risk, high reward. Where's the fucking reward? We all know that TikTok shop has taken us by a storm. Influencer influence. I wanted to buy these pants when I saw them go around and all the mid-size, plus-size, curvy girls all said to get these pants. 34.9 thousand sold. I really wanted this coffee color, but it was out of stock when I got it, so I had to settle for a little less. Just kidding. Let's see how they look on my belly. She's thick and cannot go up the stairs back to back. Kinda long. How do we feel? This is me sucking it in. This is me letting it all out. So light and loose on the body. I can't understand the hype behind this because even if I let out my stomach, there's no obvious cookie cutter lining. I think. I don't know. I like that you can bunch up the front. Like, it kind of makes it look like I have something to give. I mean, this is why I love not wearing jeans. It literally bunches up right here anyway. Tuck. You're squishy with the elastic band. It looks nice on my body when I sit down, actually. And if you get all hot and shit, you could just air your little clementine out. I just don't know what to do with the length. Cozy. I like it. Now these next one are from Hilera, whatever. These are supposed to look business casual. They're supposed to feel light. This fabric is supposed to give posh. These are also projected to look a little shorter, so I'm hoping they are shorter. I think I like these way better. Way more flattering on my body. With this lining, you can kind of blend out my dark camo a little bit better. Pockets. It's loose and wide-legged. The bunching of the elastic, it does look a little cheap, not gonna lie. These are borderline dress pants, borderline, let me just go to the gas station. I can live with that. I like the side. Perfect. I don't even need to readjust because of the pinching right here. Layer of poofiness. I don't have to worry too much about my stomach stomaching. Like it looks good when I'm sitting. It still gives me that like fake hip. Pants has a lot of room and stretchiness. Look at this. Like I could still bring it up if I want to or need to, but I really don't have to. Like wait. I like that this could be in my closet to give my wardrobe some versatility. But I want a fake trouser moment. Nice to go out in, nice to lounge in. A video on my TikTok is up right now. Be linked. If you made it this far, I am so grateful for you. You're the real one. A new and improved denim sit-down jean test video will come. That one's on me. That one's on me. I'm also just trying to find pants that fit me too. From a wise person to another wise person. Patience is a virtue. I'll see you guys next time. Love you.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Fridays.